As part of establishing the SANNEH Institute family within the University of Ghana campus, there's going to be an inaugural ceremony,
which is scheduled for the 29th of February this year.
At the Bank of Ghana Hall at the University of Ghana,
now called the City Conference Center, between the time of 8:30 a.m. to 1 p.m.
This inaugural program is with the theme Territoriality and Hospitality.
Christians and Muslims sharing common space.
The lecturers for this public lecture will be Dr. Rowan Williams, the former Archbishop of Canterbury.
We are also inviting Professor Isaac from South Africa, who is a very renowned Muslim scholar, deeping in interfaith relations.
The Emir of Kano will be there as a special guest.
That event will be chaired by Professor Ebenezer Odro Owusu, Vice Chancellor of the University of Ghana.
Expositions on key elements for considerations in the intersection between Christianity and Islam religions will be given.
But also to afford people the opportunity to meet some of these academic leaders coming from around the world who are going to discuss on very important topics.
And this is part of the networking that the inauguration wants to set at pace.
We need peace. The only way that we can do this is to try to build this relationship.
So on this note, I would like to invite each and sundry to this important inaugural lecture.
Come, join us, let's celebrate Professor SANNEH, but most importantly, let's celebrate the common heritage that God has given us as a nation, as Muslims and Christians.